Hello all, I'm from Hotfix Media team and I'll be giving you a demo on enhanced content management system tool developed by Hotfix Media. Many companies find it difficult to keep their website content as up to date as they would like. Often there are delays getting new content online, the site stagnates and your client gets to see outdated information. That's why so many companies are now turning to content management system. So how can a content management system help you? Using this uncomplicated system, you can very easily add, delete images and edit text in your website on the fly, which means you as a client can make updates to your own website without a need to call a web guy. Usually we get clients who ask for a content management system because they have finally become tired of their web guy taking too long to make simple text changes to their website, as our content management system tool would be very simple to use and you can make updates to content yourself even if you have no technical knowledge experience with HTML or website design. Content management system reduces the time required to publish, allowing you to get your content online faster, which is very important issue for any professional site. Beginning with the demo of the enhanced content management system tool here, Content Manager logs into the system with permission, content add and content update. This is the main page where here you can control and manage your multiple sites, which can be on the basis of different geographical areas. You may have a site for North America, for UK and for US. I'm selecting HWM Shop Demo, which is for US website, for editing its pages. Content Manager is navigated to website pages where the page types are available. The different type of web pages which can be made available on the site are default page, which is normally the home page of the website, product page. Every product will have its product page where the product details will be displayed. Category page. This is the page where the products can be accessed on the basis of category associated to them. We have also provided support of additional pages such as marketing campaign page, where the videos or press releases can be published for the store or products, and the promotion page for increasing customer awareness for a product or service on a broad scale by providing offers or discount. Let's visit the pages one by one. Starting with the default page, you can add a new default page or you can edit the existing one. Click on the edit link. On edit default page, the attributes of the current default page is displayed, such as the URL of the default page, meta information, which is primarily used for the search engine optimization and ensures the visibility of your site to your customers even if they reach you through Googling. Here we have title, which will be displayed on the title bar of the website page and search engine result page. Keywords, which allows you to provide additional words for search engines to use to better display their results. And description. This information is great importance for search engine optimization of your page. It is most important for the prospect visitor when looking at the search engine result page, as description information is displayed there and helps you to distinguish your site from others in the list. Interestingly, we have also added slider feature. Slider is an effective method of highlighting your portfolio, projects, e-commerce products or even key site related messages and information. As the current slider trend dictates, we have incorporated it in the default page. You can add number of slides here, delete the site. You can add number of slides here, delete the slide and can also update the existing ones. Before we make any changes here, let's go to the website first and see what it is having currently. This is our HWM shop demo site. Here on the default page we have the slider feature available with 2 slides on it. Now let's make changes to the summer fashion slide. Simply click on the update button. Choose the file image that you want. I'm changing the summer slide with the spring one and save it. As you can see, the slide has been changed here. Let's see whether it has been published on the site or not. I'm refreshing the page. Here we have the winter slide. And the next slide is now the spring one. Similarly, you can add multiple slides here. Select the feature. I've selected category here. Select the image. Let's add summer back into the slider. Here now we have all 3 seasons. And now I'm refreshing the page. The summer is back. Winter and the spring. Now, keeping the current marketing design pattern, our content management system also enables you to add tile set to the default page of your website. Here we have 2 tiles in the tile set of our default page. In tile set, you can provide one-click links to your latest collection or some favorite category products. No doubt, these tile set will bring a sneak view of your products to the customer from the home page itself. So you can add, update and remove the tiles as you want. Let's add another tile to the tile set here. Currently we have only 2. Click on add tile. Select the category. And let's select the image now. Let's check it out whether it has been published on the site or not. It's there. The new tile has been added to the tile set. We have associated this style with the category new launch. So let's see whether it points to that or not. I just click on it. See, all the newly arrived products are here. Moving to the next feature. Next feature is adding text content to your default page. You can add the text directly in plain English language without worrying about the HTML tags or any other technology. With full equipped text editor, you can make this text as a delightful experience for the user. If you're a techie, then you can see this text in HTML also by simple click on the source button. Make sure you make changes and save it. Let me make a change here. I have added the text in simple English language, and let me color the text red in sync with the theme of the site, and click on. Before I click on save button, let me show you what is the existing text available on this website. This is the text. And now I am saving it. Refresh the page. The color has been updated and the text is also added. Isn't it really fast? The system do not bound you with only one set of tile set or slider or text copy. You can have number of them as you would like to display. So far we have seen how to manage the default page. Let's see how we can manage other pages on the website. Next will the product page. Most recent 4 product pages will be displayed here, though we can go to the other product directly searching it in the search tool. Here you can edit the page, or you can even expire the display of the page on the site. On the expiration, system will display the timestamp to the content manager so that he can manage their publishing on the site. To edit an existing one, click on edit link. User will be navigated to the selected products content page. Here you can update the URL of the product detail page, meta information like title, keyword and description. You can also edit the description from here. Another feature provided here is the management of product related images. You can add, remove and update the main image of the product from here. As product can have only one main image, so option to add the image will only be provided if it is not already existing. Otherwise you can add and update it. There can be number of additional images displayed for a product. You can update the existing ones, or if needed, remove from the display. Let's add few images to the product basic tee here. This is the product currently on the website which is not having any image related to it. There are no additional images also. For adding a main image, click on the link Add Main Image. Browse through the file and just save it. The main image now has been added to the system. Let's see whether it has been published to the site or not. I'm refreshing the page and here you go. The image has been published on the fly. Let's move further and add additional images to this product. Currently we don't have any additional images with it. Click on Add Additional Image. Browse through the file. I'm refreshing the page again and the additional image has been added. You can add multiple additional images here. Let's verify the website. All the images have been published to the website. If needed, you can simply remove these images and update also. Now if you want to add videos to promote your products, then you can add that too. Add the URL of the YouTube video and it will be added to the product detail page. Let's move to the category pages now. Its features are very much same as that provided in the product page, which means it guarantees they are user friendly and easy to use. Here you can search for the category, expire or edit a category page. You can click on more button if you want to see other categories present in the system. On edit, you can manage the URL, meta information, description of the category. You can also manage the category image, which can be updated and removed. Our content management system tools allows you to manage the marketing campaign page and the promotion pages from here. Thus this tool gives complete control of your website to you, and that too in most simpler way. I hope this video provided a good overview of the content management system to you. Thank you.